Well, the 2020 Blender Conference is just over 10 days away, and I'm very excited as this will be my first ever Blender Conference, even though I'll be attending online. In the spirit of the conference, I bought myself a Blender Conference Comfort Box from the Blender website, which arrived just this afternoon. I know the conference is only 10 days away, and the box says specifically do not open until the 30th of October, but I don't like surprises, so if you don't want spoilers, look away now. Alright, let's see what we have here. First thing we have is a biscuit, or a chocolate perhaps. Next thing we have is, it's like a letter from the conference organisers. I'll read that in a minute. Next thing we have in the box is another biscuit. Can't have too many of those. Ooh, a Blender lanyard. Next thing is a Blender pen with the Blender logo on it. That's pretty cool. Next thing, two more Blender pens, different colours, both with the Blender logo. Next, we have two more biscuits of different sizes. Next thing we have is a badge, a pin. Next thing we have in the box is some Blender postcards. That looks like the Blender Foundation headquarters and other pictures of Amsterdam, perhaps. And some Blender stickers. A Blender Conference name tag, so everyone knows who I am at the conference. Blender mousepad with the Blender logo, that's very cool. Next thing, the Blender Conference t-shirt. That's what I was looking forward to. BlenderCon 20, together, apart. And looks like that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.